Hello everyone, welcome back. You've all seen the thumbnail, so there it is, the box set. As promised, so on a recent peg hunt to Smith's Toys, I went to try and find this box set, and well, sure enough, we found it, obviously. Yeah, you may have already seen the peg hunt. I also did a little short video on this. They had stocked plenty of these, which was very nice. I had to put the peg hunt off for a little while, due to some home renovations, and I was scared that I was actually going to miss out on this pack. I was honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. I just assumed some scalpers would go in, buy every single box and resell them for double the price on eBay. That kind of tends to be what happens now. But yeah, no, they had a good old stock of these. I think there was about 8 of them left there. So yeah, no issues with that. There was also some other pretty cool surprises on that peg hunt. So if you want to go check that out, it's definitely worth a watch. Don't be put off by the way over the top, too much information in one image thumbnail I did for that. Yeah, I'm having a go at different thumbnails, and let's face it, I'm not very good at them. Anyway, let's slide these out of the box. Before I get rid of the box, we'll take a look at the back. I'm sure you all know, but here we go. The Sauber Mercedes C9, the Lamborghini Essenza SCV12, and the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Very, very cool. And of course we get the Euro hauler, so we get kind of like a truck that would haul them. Oh, I wonder if that opens up. I wonder if you can actually put a car in there. So here they are on the little diorama. You've got kind of this racetrack in the middle of, well, in the middle of some mountains, somewhere like Utah perhaps, I don't know, just in the middle of absolute nowhere. Right, usual scenario, it's all taped down and we've got to get off these really annoying little rubber bands. A pair of scissors would be absolutely ideal right now, unless the knife can get them. No, the knife doesn't really, doesn't help that the blade's actually broken at the front. Let's have a go now. Whoa. Oh, that's just gone flop. That's that. Let's get the quattro. Wow, that sharp knife made short work of that. That's excellent. Certainly better than the first pack I opened. That was a bit of a disaster. Then we just got to get rid of all these little tiny little bits of rubber band. Oh, this one's got an extra one over the top there. Ugh. Plastic rear spoiler. Oh, I'm not sure about that. That is really flimsy as well. Righto, we have the cars are lined up, so let's start off with the hauler, the bus hauler, the Euro hauler. Looks nice with the sort of black and gold colour scheme. Got some gold wheels on the bottom there. Sort of very old style hauler. Nice details on the front. Got your lights, all your little marker lights up there as well. That's really nice. Got the rear light details as well, and I think, yes, it does open up. So you can put your race car in the back there. Just tight squeeze. Guess it can't move around too much though. And there it is, ready to be hauled away. Oh, that's sweet. That's probably one of the nicest haulers we've had so far, actually. Didn't want to give it back then. Yeah, that is probably one of the nicest haulers we've had. That's really cool. Well, I say, one of the nicest haulers I've had. I've only been able to buy 3 of these box sets so far. But yeah, no, that's really cool. Say, die-cast metal on the sides and all that. That is really nice. I think it's a die-cast metal all down the side here, and then this roof piece is plastic, along with the plastic door. Obviously, full metal base, being a premium. So what have we got next? We have the Mercedes. Let's zoom in a bit on that. Let's check out the base first. Sauber Mercedes? I'm not sure how you say that. I'm sure someone can correct me down below. Yeah, very nice alloys. This is very cool. Nice gloss black, so the camera may have a little bit of a difficult time trying to focus on it. Got this very interesting almost circuit board style design on there. Little front lensed headlights, that is very cool. Got the little wiper in the middle of the screen there. Yeah, very cool. AEG Olympia, number 61. Now, it had a strap over it because this actually opens up. Oh, it comes off. I hope it comes off and I haven't just broken it. Uh-oh. Okay, it comes off. Is it meant to hinge, or does it literally, it just comes off, I think. Missed a bit, lads. You missed a bit. Yeah, well, look at that. Now you get some engine details under there as well. That's really cool. So that's why that was strapped down. Nice. Do love a little opening or removable feature. Got the rear lights, including the central brake light. And yeah, the only thing that's a bit of a letdown is this plastic spoiler. So look how wobbly and bendy it is. I mean, it's probably pretty well on there. It probably won't come off or snap that easy, but would have been nice to have been metal. But yeah, no, that's really cool. And then we have the Lamborghini. We've seen this recently in the exotics, one of the exotics premium sets. There was a black chase variation of it, and here we have it in this very nice dark blue. Well, dark blue and black. It's kind of two-tone. The Lamborghini logo, number 63. Very, very nice. Number 63 on the side again. Got the cool spoked wheels on there. This one actually has got a full die-cast metal spoiler, which is very, very nice. Some little lensed headlights, not lensed, some little rear lights detailed in there. Very difficult to see under there, but they are detailed, so that's very cool. And there's the base, Lamborghini Essenza. That is really nice. Gotta say, I do like this casting. Got the little Lamborghini logo on the side there as well. Lots of tiny, and the fuel filler. Lots of tiny little details on this one. It's just such a crazy looking car, like it's hard to spot all the details. And we got a central wiper on that one as well. Very, very awesome. I need to stop pushing on the desk, it's making some awful creaking sounds. Finally, we have the Audi Quattro, and I'm going to go out and say this is probably my favourite in the pack. I was going to say that might not be everyone's opinion, but actually I'm sure there's a few old school rally fans that would agree with me here. Just love the boxy shape and the old rally styling of this Quattro. Very, very cool cars in my opinion. I'd rather one of these to a supercar any day, unless, I've always had this thought, if you get to choose between two cars, always go for the more expensive, especially if you can sell it, buy the car you really want, and more. That's some life advice from me. Not very good life advice, because who gets to just randomly choose a car for free? Anyway, yeah, this is very cool. I love the old retro wheels, very, very nice in white, and we got all the sort of decals, got the Audi logo there, the three coloured stripes up the side on the front. Number 3, Audi Quattro, Audi Sport Quattro, Michelin logo there, and the Castrol logo there. Awesome rear light details, very nicely done. Got the badging, the little exhaust, got a roll cage in the interior there, which I think might be a bit difficult to see. And then the front, obviously all the front light details done up really nice, black front splitter. Oh, it's just so cool. And there is the base. That is really nice. I've got to say, that is a sweet little box set. That is really, really cool. Oh, hang on. Let me just line the camera up so you can actually see them. That would be good, wouldn't it? Go to a wide focus area so hopefully you can see all of them. Very, very cool looking. So yeah, look at that. I've got to say, I love that hauler being much more, it's got much more metal to it, so it feels heavier and sturdier, unlike some of the other ones that were just all the back was plastic. That having an open feature, epic, really epic. and the Quattro is amazing. I mean, that's cool too. I just say, we have seen this a few times recently. And personally, I do think the green variation does stand out that bit more and look a bit cooler. But yeah, gotta say, 10 out of 10 pack. Really, really worth it. In fact, I was even debating not getting it. I was just like, oh, I'm busy, oh, maybe I'll miss this one. So glad I didn't. This is so worth it. I'd never actually seen it in person, so I didn't have a good understanding of just how cool it was going to be. Yeah, very cool. And now I have a box that I don't know what to do with. In fact, the last two sets, I've kept the boxes, but never put the cars back in them. So, I don't know what to do with these. I've contemplated just chucking them. I don't know. Unless I like stash some short card Hot Wheels in them and use them as extra storage. I don't know. Let me know what you do with your boxes. Do you put all the cars back in? I mean, I'm sure there are people that just don't even unbox them. They just leave them fully sealed. Crazy people, really. Or they buy 2 of each. Even more crazy people with lots of money. So yeah, let me know down below what you do with your boxes and your box sets. It would be cool to see what you guys do. Of course, while you're down in the comments, let me know what you think of the box set and the cars included. And yeah, I hope you have a good one. Good luck in all your peg hunts as always. Let me know if you're going to collect this or if you've already got it yourself. And until then, I shall see you in the next video.